Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to review online home decor Excel financial model. In order to review this model, we are going to go through these 10 different sheets. But before we start reviewing the model, you have to know that the P cells are representing the input cells and the gray cells are representing the link cells. Also, this is a 60-month projection model, which means the total number of years in this model is going to be 5. Then moving on to the next sheet, assumptions. Here we have included all the necessary assumptions related to this business. That is investment assumptions, financing, loan assumptions, equity assumptions. Then we have the variable and fixed operating expenses schedules. Then we have payroll assumptions, revenue and cost of goods sold assumptions. In the next sheet, inventory analysis, we have calculated the closing inventory figures both in dollars and in units for each of the products of this business, and then at the end we have calculated the total closing inventory figure as well. This one. Moving on to the next sheet, cost of goods sold. Here we have calculated the total cost being incurred on the production of or the purchase of each of these products. And then we have calculated a total figure of the cost of goods sold at the end of this sheet as well. Moving on to the next sheet, revenue. In this, we have calculated the revenue being generated from each product sales. And then we have also calculated a total revenue figure for each of the product categories and for all the product categories in aggregation as well. Then we have the supporting details schedule or the sheet, and here we have included the major operating expenses of the business, that is the fixed operating expenses, variable ones. We have payroll, depreciation, loan amortization, and working capital. Working capital includes your accounts receivable, payables, and inventory calculations. Next is the website marketing expenditure. Here we have calculated the expenditure being incurred on the website marketing, and we have calculated it both annually and monthly. Then we have the financial statements. Here we have included three major financial statements of the business: income statement, which shows the financial health of the business or the profitability of the business. Then we have the cash flow statement, which shows the cash position of the business, and the balance sheet, which shows the financial position of the business. Next is the startup summary. Here we have included the expenses and the funding of the first year of operations of this business. We have also included graphs for easy analysis or for comparison. In the financial analysis sheet, we have included four different types of analysis. Break-even analysis, which calculates the break-even sales point. We have financial ratios, that is solvency ratios, liquidity ratios, profitability ratios for each year for comparison purposes. And then we have company valuation, where we have calculated the NPV, IRR, ROI and payback period of the business. And then we have sensitivity analysis, both optimistic and pessimistic cases. Last is the dashboard. Here we have included graphs to represent the financials of the business that we have included in the previous sheets. And also we have included a scorecard to highlight the major financials of the business. That's it from today. Thank you so much for your time.